Alright, so I just found out that I've been playing this game in low quality mode because it comes like that. I don't know why. So, if you go to your settings, oops, I went past it. Go to your graphics, or down to video, and it'll be on quality. Change that to performance if you have the option, and then save and continue, and then restart, and it's a world of difference. I have a Series S, not the X, so I mean it looks a million times better. I was like so shocked by this. I don't know why they would come on quality on a Series S. It's not like it's a new gen. Look at the frame rate difference. It goes from 30 frames to either 60 or 120. I don't know. But it just looks so much better and runs better. Very smooth. Such a difference. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.